Top Angular Interview Questions and Answers 2025. Angular interview questions need good preparation. Angular is an open source software engineering platform. The technology helps in building an efficient user interface. It provides the platform and framework that can build client applications using a medium like HTML and type.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
TypeScript. The client applications that Angular creates are of a single page type. The normal writing method for Angular is TypeScript. The platform is behind the implementation of the core functionality as well as the optional ones. The implementation takes place as a pile of TypeScript libraries that can be imported into the apps. Angular application takes up a particular architecture. This architecture is dependent on a particular set of fundamental concepts. The primary building block of the particular Angular framework in context is its components. All these components constitute the ng modules. The ng modules provide the facility of collection of related codes and formulation of these codes into functional and adaptive sets. The set of ng modules defines the Angular app. It is basic for any application to have at the minimum a root module which can help in bootstrapping. The application should also have a good number of feature modules. We have curated lists of top Angular questions in this article that will help your interview questions in Angular. If you want to learn about Angular questions, get a good brush up on Angular interview questions before heading for it. Popular Angular interview questions and answers. We have accompanied sets of Angular questions below that are vital for interview preparation. The reason most of the candidates fail at the first attempt is the lack of preparation to go through the common interview questions in Angular. Strategic preparation and confidence are key to winning over any interview. These are top Angular questions and answers which you can look at for a better understanding of the subject. You can also take a look at Advanced Angular Interview Questions Set 1, Set 2, and Set 3 as well. Angular Interview Questions and Answers Set 1. To get a good grasp of the entire framework, the interview questions in Angular to face might seem endless. But here is the trick. It's always a wise move to start with basic Angular questions. Here are the basic Angular interview questions and answers. 1. What do you mean by Angular? Angular states the open source framework of the web application. The framework is TypeScript based and Google maintains as well as manages it. The framework is even developed by Google itself. Angular is famous for offering the most powerful and efficient way of developing completely web-based front-end applications. The framework manages the integration of numerous features such as declarative templates, dependency injections, and a lot more to count. These features set the ground for facilitating the development of web applications. 2. Why is the Angular framework inclined on the client side? Back in the day, there were many frameworks like jQuery and Vanilla.js which allowed the developers to create dynamic websites. But with time, the websites have inculcated a large number of features and various functionalities. This becomes quite a task for the developers who are in charge of maintaining the code. Along with this situation, jQuery does not provide any provision about the data handling facility meant across the view. In all these situations, Angular comes to the rescue as it solves the problem and provides the platform for the developers to divide the complex code into smaller fragments. These fragments are named the components of the Angular. The reason for Angular being a client-side platform is that it permits to development advanced web applications much faster than Vanilla.js used to do. The advanced web applications are like sparse. 3. State the different features of the Angular framework. Angular has many features and proves to be an ideal framework. The features of Angular framework are as follows. Angular gives the option for creating an accessible application with the help of components enabled by ARIA, which are built on a unique infrastructure present along with developer guide. Angular also helps in supporting the interface tools in the command line. These particular tools work for adding different components, creating testing, many instant deployments, and a lot more. It also gives scope for creating very complex and difficult animation timelines using many little codes. It gives a chance for high performance by using its intuitive API. The framework can also build an efficient as well as powerful desktop. It can also create a progressive web application which is native. Angular also supports the building of various mobile applications. It uses the capabilities of various modern web platforms to create high-performing and progressive web applications that have an offline facility.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.